The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning tool that transforms how you clean floors and surfaces around your home. Powered by high-temperature steam, this multi-purpose device tackles grime without the need for harsh chemicals, making it a safe option for households with children and pets. One of its main advantages is chemical-free cleaning with rapid heat-up time. The Steam Mop heats in about 30 seconds, allowing you to quickly start steam cleaning hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and other sealed surfaces. The detachable handheld steamer adds further versatility, letting you switch from floor cleaning to above-floor tasks like upholstery, curtains, grout, and even garments. It's designed to be lightweight and maneuverable, with a swivel mop head that makes it easier to reach under furniture and around corners, and the handle can collapse for easy storage when not in use. The mop also comes with a range of useful accessories, such as small and large brushes, angled nozzles, grout brushes, a squeegee, carpet glider, and microfiber cloths, so you can clean a variety of surfaces and tackle detailed cleaning tasks. Because it uses steam rather than detergents, it helps sanitize floors and other areas without leaving chemical residue, and it's generally quick to dry after steam cleaning. Overall, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop offers efficient multi-surface cleaning with steam power, handheld versatility, and a range of attachments, making it a flexible and convenient choice for everyday floor care and beyond.